You say, well, how about no? No spring for you. Only winter. Have some snow. Enjoy. So much light. Anyway, this is nearing completion. It's supposed to go into the powder coating soon enough. I like these. I got my new support bearing here. Hopefully this fits my new bolt screw. New, well, it's a year old, but that's nice. That one in a real tight. Sweet potatoes. I should tear this thing down right away. I just might. Halfway there. Look at this thing. It's not pretty. It's been there a while. Check the thickness of those threads in comparison to... Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was time for change.
Map and the two depths came into the third base and he's absolutely looking to try and fight them. Maybe his stats feel safe enough to take a third, but stats didn't pull back to the natural, and then SS is like, I'm not pushing into there.
Then we have the reigning champ of the global finals, Dark. He's still alive, and obviously Cyril, we know it. This is the one that he really wants to win. This is a very sexy top 8. Like, if you care about storylines, history, this is free.
Yup. I'm a genius, but I'm also a moron. Because this screw, I said this needed to be 9mm, while it does need to be 9.5 because it's a 3/8 American Imperial. Otherwise, it's fine. I went ahead and ordered a new one because the longer screws have arrived at SAP Automation in Great Britain, and there was something also wrong with this. Yeah, I had to modify it a bit. So I went ahead and ordered a new one, so I need to put this one back. I don't wanna, but I'm gonna have to because I need the machine up and running. So yeah, it's Monday morning. Let's do this. First layer down. Alright, we're up and running again. It's quite smooth. Silent and nice. Yeah, that's the old screw. I cleaned it up pretty well. Anyway, I'm gonna try this now. This is a Dratron tool. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I don't want to drop this thing. It's this. That is going to chamfer at the same time as cutting, and it's really short, so it should be quite rigid. Yeah, we'll see. It's chamfering at the same time, yay! Billy Billy Walk. Billy Billy Walk. Walla ha. 6 left turn over crest. Oh, crows, get out of the way, crows. Can you hear that? It's ringing. You could say that I am Lord of this ring. Okie dokie, it's Monday morning. It's nice and light. Pretty much quiet in here, and I gotta start cutting, but I don't feel like it. Do I cut these? Do I cut more of those? Do I cut a gazillion of those? Or do I cut what I actually should be cutting? So, as you can see, I've been covering up quite a bit of the table. This is because this happened. I snapped it, so I can't open it. And all of this needs to be replaced. This is long overdue. Okay, in the pursuit of not doing any actual work today, I decided to put this one into here and use that instead. Yup, you get creative when you don't want to work. Well, look at this, it's magnetic. Weird, eh? That's a good section right there. Okay, new product. This is the prototype. I need to make a lot of them. I've started at least, so I should get a pat on the back for that. Yup it up. Let's see if I can film this with one hand. So now I'm to make about 40 of these. And this is AW5754H111. This is the type of aluminum this is. Really soft, good for bending. And I've really got the K factor down this time. Let's see if I can do this on. Okay. So the design of this says this is supposed to be 442 millimeters, and there's 4 bends on it in total. Get out. Oh. Let's see there. Letting go. 421.99. Ooh, did I move? Anyway, as you can tell, it's it's quite exquisite. Yeah. All my stuff. More of my stuff. Ooh. Who's the genius designer behind these beautiful contraptions? Oh, it's me, of course. Yep. static electricity there. Friday. And this is the aftermath of a lot of aluminum cutting in 2mm. Supposedly it's supposed to be mounted like on the rooftop of a Lidl store. Lidl, that's like a German supermarket chain thing. Anywho, driving back home and spring is coming!